This episode of Gauges and Gasoline, we're doing a transmission service on a Chevy Silverado. You watching the Gauges and Gasoline YouTube channel. It's recommended to service your transmission every 30,000 miles or 2 years. But if you drive in extreme conditions, you may need to have it serviced more often. Make sure to check your vehicle's maintenance guide for more information on mileage and time intervals. If you skip a transmission service, you could risk your transmission being damaged when you actually do decide to service it. The first Chevy pickup truck was a 1-ton back in 1918. However, the Silverado made its debut back in 1975 as the top trim on the Chevrolet CK line of trucks. These old Chevy Silverados ranked above the Cheyenne, Scottsdale, and Custom Deluxe trims for the CK lineup. Today, General Motors manufactures the Silverado under the Chevrolet brand as its own line of trucks. Why?
I don't like the way your truck's looking at my truck.
fish, sip out water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been, could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate, we need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying.